Have you ever wondered that we have practical tools to learn science and math? Then why don't we have enough resources to experiment with English? Shouldn't language learning be as fun as playing games and doing experiments? Wouldn't you like to adopt such an engaging and interactive way to learn English? Introducing our revolutionary English teaching kit designed to ignite a passion for language learning like never before. Flashcards. Make learning engaging and interactive with our vibrant flashcards. Game boards. Transform the classroom into a playground of learning with the exciting gameplays. Reader's Theatre. Reader's Theatre, have your students practice their dramatic skills, pronunciation and expression while building their confidence. Visual Maps. Turn every corner of the classroom into a language learning hotspot with colorful visual maps. Story cards and colorful worksheets instill a love for reading. But what sets our English teaching apart isn't just its individual components, it's the joyful environment that they create when we weave them together. So are you ready to level up your English teaching skills? Order your English language kit today and join the learning revolution.